Well, howdy everyone. Time for a quick run down to the scrapyard. It's quite a hot day here in Adelaide. Anyway, here we go. We've just got some tubs of aluminium, extruded aluminium. There's just some cable, it's mixed, copper wire and bits of copper pipe, so forth. Brass, aluminium again. Big box of Cat 5 cable there. Another one. And another one of copper wire, electrical wire. Where is it? There it is. There. Can we see that? Yeah. So what we're going to do, we'll take a run down and just see what the current prices are. Not hold my hopes up because worldwide the market's quite low. Anyway, stay tuned. Well, okay, we're back folks. Here we go. Let's have a look here. I won't go into it too much. Hang on, I'll just straighten this up so you can see it. There we go. Most things has just stayed the same. Went down about a month ago, and the only thing that's really changed is number one, copper wire. It's dropped from $6.50 to $6 a kilo, so that affected our bottom line today. Not too bad though. For that little lot you saw there, $118.07. So there we have it. Yeah, Taxman got his bit too, $10. Anyway, okay, that's all for now.